Hey guys, SnowWheelMan52 here. Quick update on stuff for you. Here sits the 450. Waiting for a new air filter because the one that's in there is bad. So I just ordered a Uni one. Should be in Tuesday. Here sits the truck. Me and my buddy pulled the hood off of it, so I don't have to, have that just hanging out there. I got the brakes all ran on it. It's leaking power steering fluid like an SOB. I got the transmission pretty much ready to be dropped out. I just gotta, take the bolts off the casting. I got all the brakes ran. The rear one leaks. The drum brake, it leaks. I think it's the booster, but I'll have to check it out, Here's the bed full of all the stuff that I've tore off of this thing. I got both the doors off, seat out. Today I was working on, for the hour I was out here taking the linkage off and doing some other stuff on it. Yep, should be. I'll probably drop the transmission out this week sometime when I have some help. Oh, here's my helmet. I got some new stickers on it. I brought it out here because these stickers, if you put stickers on something that's round like this, you have to take a heat gun, which is over there. You just plug it in, heat it up, push all the curves, the bubbles out of it, and it turns out pretty nice. But me and Nick, we were out riding on Friday. Yeah, 2 weeks ago, or a week ago Friday. We're doing some pretty fun stuff. I made a couple short little videos. I'll put them in at the end of this so you guys can see them. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Go! All right. I got higher. Oh.